If you're looking for a natural respiratory support for your dog's occasional cough or breathing discomfort, this WEALLIN dog cough treatment support delivers a gentle formula with 9 soothing botanicals, including mullein leaf, marshmallow root, ginger root, elderberry, and echinacea. The bacon-flavored liquid drops are easy to administer. Simply mix into your food or into their food or water with dosing adjusted by your dog's weight. So anywhere from 0.5 milliliters to 2.5 milliliters, 1 to 2 times per day. It's free from chemicals, gluten, grain, and artificial additives. It's suitable for all breeds and ages. For best results, with consistent daily use over 1 to 2 weeks as natural ingredients builds efficiency. Climate Pledge friendly certified with carbon emissions measured and offset.